The real estate market in Dubai continues to boom, with prices increasing by a staggering 70% since the COVID lows. What's even crazier is the market keeps on going from strength to strength, with more millionaires looking to move to Dubai compared to any other country in the world. So in this booming real estate market, which locations are likely to see the greatest capital appreciation going forward? Coming up, I'll break down the top 3 locations, but before I do that, let's quickly break down why properties go up in value in the first place. First of all, it's important for me to make clear that buildings don't actually go up in value. In actual fact, they're a depreciating asset. That is why in places like London, you'll see old buildings which are demolished and a new one built in its place. The valuable thing is the land beneath the building itself. And if you have a lot of people wanting to live in a particular area, the value of the land goes up and subsequently your property value increases. In actual fact, there's 4 characteristics that you should look out for in properties if you're wanting large capital appreciation. These are supply and demand. You want to be looking at an area which has lots of demand from people and not a lot of supply coming onto the market. The next point is location, location, location. Living in a very desirable location means people want to live there, which equals more demand. The third point is infrastructure development. If there's better infrastructure, that can mean the area is more accessible. If the area is more accessible, more people can live there, and again, it creates demand. And the fourth point is large land plots. We've already mentioned it's the land which increases in value, not the property itself. Furthermore, if you've got a large plot, that also creates lots of demand because Europeans, for example, they're looking for properties with large gardens for their families. So keeping in mind these 4 characteristics, which 3 locations in Dubai are likely to see the largest capital appreciation? The first area I'm going to talk about is Jumeirah Village Triangle, otherwise known as JVT. The area is very centrally located, being only 20 minutes away from the Dubai Marina. And with the recent announcement of the airport shifting south, this particular location is connected via major motorways, making it very accessible. But what I like most about this community is it has absolutely massive land plots ranging from 6,000 to 7,000 square foot. And the area is very attractively priced. Over the past month, there's been 11 property transactions with an average price of 4.2 million dirhams. On a square foot basis, that comes to 680 dirhams per square foot. And this price per square foot is some of the cheapest you can find in the whole of Dubai for a standalone villa. So if you want to buy a large detached villa at a reasonable price, look no further than JVT. One of the most popular locations for families is Arabian Ranches, and it's easy to see why, with its mature parks, gardens and trees. It's located about 25 minutes away from both the Dubai Marina and downtown. It's an established community which is very popular with families, and there's no new supply entering Arabian Ranches 1, meaning we're likely to see sustained price growth. And due to the fact it's one of the oldest communities in Dubai, the plots are absolutely massive, ranging from 6,000 to 10,000 square foot. And if you haven't noticed, it's these older communities which have these large gardens. So how much does it cost to buy here? Over the past month, there's been 32 transactions at an average price of 4.23 million dirhams, coming to a price on a square foot basis of 1,120 dirhams. So if you're a family who's looking to move to Dubai and you want a safe investment, Arabian Ranches is for you. If you want any help finding or sourcing properties, feel free to book in a call on the link below or sign up to my weekly newsletter for more insider tips. The Meadows is the final community we're going to look at, and it's in one of the best locations in the whole of Dubai, taking only about 10 minutes to get to the Dubai Marina. This community has lots of demand for people who are moving to Dubai and want large gardens, nature, greenery, but also want to be in a very central location. There were 11 transactions over the past month at a median price of 9 million dirhams or 1,250 dirhams per square foot. As expected, this is the most expensive area analysed, but when you consider the price per square foot, it's actually very reasonable considering how centrally located you are with massive land plots. So for this reason, I expect prices to continue to rise over the foreseeable future. And if you don't know whether to invest in an apartment or a villa, watch this video here and don't forget to like and subscribe.